Welcome to my channel, Lifestyle Homemade. In our videos, we intend to use simple, inexpensive items to make our dishes and repurpose ingredients we already have in our home. Today we will be making a version of the Jamaican Easter bun and cheese, or just a loaf that you can enjoy anytime. For this recipe, you need 2 cups baking flour, 2 pea salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 Vitamalt, 1 cup sugar, some raisins, mixed fruit jam, 2 tablespoons vanilla honey, optional, melted butter. Where are you watching from? Please write the name of your country in the comment section, and if you will try this recipe. To a bowl, I will add all my dry ingredients: 2 cups baking flour, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. I will combine these nicely together. After setting this aside, let's move to prepare our wet ingredients. Pour 1 bottle of Vitamalt to a mixing bowl, then add ½ cup sugar, some raisins, 3 to 4 tablespoons mixed fruit jam, 2 tablespoons vanilla, 1 teaspoon honey if you have this, it is quite optional, and some melted butter, about 4 tablespoons will do. I mix these together nicely. At this point, I added a bit of browning because I had used white sugar, so I wanted to ensure that my bun still had that beautiful dark brown color, just like the original Jamaican Easter bun. Then set aside to rest for a while. At this point, I will grease my baking tin and preheat my oven to 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. I'm now adding my batter to the baking tin and will bake this for 1 hour at 350 degrees. My house is smelling so fragrant, and I can imagine my neighbors wanting some of this delicious food. I hope it tastes as good as it smells, as this is my first time trying this Jamaican recipe. After 1 hour, I use a toothpick to test if my bun is ready. I can't wait to try this. At this point, I melt some butter and some of the mixed fruit jam in a small dish. Then I use it to coat the bun and made so shining and add a slight sweetness. You can have this by itself with tea, butter, or of course, a slice of cheddar cheese. Enjoy! Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in our next video.